how to recover your TikTok account without phone number or email. So if you want to recover your TikTok account without phone number or email, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. After that, go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and it will take you to the login page. So you just need to simply go with the login section, and from here you can either select your phone, email or username, or you can go with your Facebook or Google. So just select that and then go with the question mark icon, which will be on the top right. Once you're here, you need to go with the first one, which is recover your account, and from here you need to either enter username or email address of your account. Go with search, or you can also search by phone number. Once you've searched, you'll find your TikTok account with that email that you've just created. So you need to go with the email, choose a way to log in. So you can tap on email so that you will receive a code to your email. Or if you don't have access to your email or your phone number, then you can go with can't access these, which will be on the bottom. And then you can either go with ask friends to verify, or you can go with request support. So you can tap on request support, or you can also go with the first one, which is ask friends to verify, so that your friends will help you to get back your account. Now if you go with the support section, you will have submit a ticket for email support or log in to chat with us. You can select any one of these options and you can further get some help from TikTok team. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.